severe storm dumped more than 7 inches, or 180 millimeters of heavy rain, in less than 24 hours, over parts of New York City, forcing governors of both New York and New Jersey to declare states of emergency. The deluge set new daily records and made this month the wettest September in New York City's recorded history. The record-breaking rainfall submerged streets, subway stations and basements, and disrupted travel across the whole New York City metropolitan area. Hundreds of flights were grounded, several city buses and many vehicles were trapped as a result of flash flooding, and at least one school in Brooklyn was evacuated. Fortunately, no deaths have been attributed to the weather, but the flooding has been severe.
Here in Brooklyn, giant tree. It's a very old tree, like 100 years old.
A 60-meter, or 195-foot deep sinkhole, which exceeds 20 meters, or 66 feet in width, has suddenly appeared in the agricultural land of a rural area on the outskirts of El Jadida in Morocco. Some locals have asked whether the sudden appearance of the crater was related to the strong earthquake that shook Morocco on 8 September and caused massive human and material losses, highlighting that the region had never witnessed a similar sinkhole. Moroccan authorities have not issued a statement about the sinkhole, the cause of which remains unknown. More than 315 forest and peatland fires on Indonesia's Sumatra Island have resulted in thick haze across the area, including the cities of Palembang and Jambi, while the smoke even reached Singapore, Malaysia, and southern Thailand. Some regions reported visibility of less than 10 meters, or 33 feet, due to the fire haze. The Indonesian government has asked people to work from home and has ordered remote learning for students in southern Sumatra due to the severity of the air pollution affecting the area's population of 1.7 million. Due to heavy rains in many parts of Kerala for a few days, there has been flooding in some areas, including the state's capital Trivandrum, due to which the educational institutions had to be closed. Around 250 flood-affected people have taken shelter in 17 relief camps in 3 districts. One rain-related death was reported in the state, in addition to uprooted trees, waterlogging, and collapse of walls in many places.
I've been getting paid 30.
The city of Sivas, in central Turkey, was hit by the heaviest rainfall in recent years, leading to streets and avenues turning into lakes, and many houses and workplaces being flooded. farmers in the surrounding areas also suffered due to the high water levels. Additionally, the city of Adana on Turkey's southern coast also suffered storms and torrential rains, resulting in trees coming down, roofs being blown off, and extensive flooding from the downpour. The Qiantang River, in eastern China's Zhejiang province, is known worldwide for its powerful tidal bore, a unique natural phenomenon where the incoming tide forms a wave that travels up a river against the current. Several individuals were swept away and injured after ignoring safety warnings and breaching the barriers to get a better view, underestimating the power of the incoming tide. A heavy cloudburst dropped nearly 3 inches, or 76 millimeters of rain, in a short amount of time, over Broward County in Florida, leaving some roads in Fort Lauderdale underwater. The situation was worsened by seasonal king tides, which floodwaters inundated various roadways in the area as the water encroached from seawalls. Las Vegas City, in New Mexico, experienced an unexpected hailstorm, with hazelnut-sized hail covering the roads with a layer of white, making it difficult for drivers to move around. Some vehicles were left with smashed windshields and other damages. Reports of hailstorms throughout New Mexico have increased dramatically over the last 30 years, according to the National Weather Service.
It looks like you just got a lot of dents, and I lost those covers over my window.
A shallow earthquake, with a magnitude of 4, occurred in the Flarion Fields volcanic region, near Naples, following another significant quake in the same area on September 27, with a magnitude of 4.2, which was the largest in the last 40 years. Authorities had reported no significant injuries or damages, although debris did fall in the Agnano area. This area has seen seismic activity with over 1,100 small earthquakes within a month, prompting the Italian government to explore the potential evacuation of the more than 500,000 residents living near the Flarion Fields supervolcano, 20 kilometers, or 12.5 miles from Naples. This supervolcano's most devastating eruption took place approximately 39,000 years ago. This ancient event is believed by some researchers to have potentially led to the extinction of Neanderthal man, and even dispersed magma as far as 4,500 kilometers, or 2,796 miles, reaching Greenland. The municipal firefighters report 2 missing people as a result of the flooding caused by the rains during a severe storm in Mazatenango City, in Zacatecas department. One man in the vehicle was swept away by the current, and one woman accidentally fell into a ditch with flowing water. The storm turned a significant number of streets and avenues into rivers and provoked landslides and structural collapses, affecting in total at least 12,000 people.
Un poquito mientras todo y nos lleva a nosotros. ¿Tiene cómo está?
Hello, my dear friends. I would like to say thank you to these 10 patrons: Jacob Saldisian, Michael Joseph Wilhelm, David Alana, and web designer. Also, a separate thank you